case study of smart card. First, I am going to discuss about what are the requirements of the smart card. So there are 5 or 6 requirements are there. First one is purpose. What is the purpose of the smart card? The smart card, it is used for financial transaction and authentication. This is the main purpose of the smart card. Next, system functioning. What is the function of the smart card? First, you have to insert the smart card in the reader. When you insert, first thing is it will receive the power. The smart card, it will receive the power. After that, the reset will take place. Once reset take place, after that, card will start reading. Once it will read the information from the smart card, it will ask the password. You have to give the password. When the password is matched, it will ask application. What type of application? You have to give that to select the application. Based after complete the application, it will ask to remove the card. This is the system functioning. Next, inputs and outputs. So from the smart card, the data is transmitted to the smart card reader, and from the smart card reader, it will receive the information to the smart card through the inputs and outputs. That is called as I/O ports through antenna. There is no control panel is available here. Signals, even a notification. So it will ask enter the password. There is a notification. Application is closed, and you have to power up. If there is no power in the smart card, you have to power up. These are the signals, event, and notification requirements. Next one is design matrix. Design matrix, how much power is needed for the smart card? How much power will be dissipated? So what is the code size? The code is available. I have told you have to load the program in the smart card. What is the size of the code? File system and file management. So there is a microcontroller is available, and there is an OS is available. It will do the file management and file system. Memory management function will take care of OS. Next, there is a microcontroller hardware is available. It is used for processing, manipulation. Next, the card, there is a function is there, validity. So 2020 March, like that, validity is there. What is the performance? And what is the deadlines? The deadline means when you insert the card in the smart card reader, if you take more time means deadline is very high. Immediately it will do the process means deadline is less. Like example, you can see in some ATM machine, if you go, it will take more time to receive the amount. So it will take more time for processing. Next, what are the user interface? What are the input device? If you take the smart card, there is a insert, there is a smart card reader is available, there is a display is available, keypad is available. That is called as user interface. What is the engineering cost? What is the manufacturing cost? This all comes under design matrix. Test and validation. So all the smart cards you want to test with different course machine. There are various machines, smart reader is available. In all the machines, you have to check the smart card. Class diagram. So in smart card, there is only one class available. So that is called as a task card communication. In task card communication, there are 4 tasks available. One is called as task reset, task read, task password, task application. So when you insert any card in the card reader, first the process will take place, that is called as a task reset. It will take some time period. After the time period, it will get reset. So here, there is no need of the interrupt service routine. There is no need of interrupt service routine. First process is reset. So no need of ISR. Next one is read put. So for reading operation, the first interrupt routine is used. ISR 1 is used. Next for password task, ISR 2 is used. Next for application, ISR 3 is used. smart card hardware. This is the hardware available in the smart card. So there is a microcontroller is available. This is a microcontroller. Microcontroller CPU is available. Central processing unit. RAM is available. Ports available. Transceiver. Transceiver antenna is available. It is used to transmit the information and receive the information. Next, the charge pump. So this is the, it is used, it is a capacitor. When you connect the card to the smart card reader, the capacitor will get charged. That is called as, there are three capacitors will be there. One is for charging, one is discharging, and another for processing. So one card will charge, another card will give the supply to the VCC. When you give the VCC, only the microcontroller will work. So D0 to D7 means data lines, A0 to A5 means address lines. Here we are having the antenna, radio frequency antenna is available. Ports, it is connected to ports. So input will be come from like this, and it will go to the microcontroller. Output from the microcontroller, you go to the transceiver, and it is called as antenna. So this is charging when you are using contactless smart card reader. By using the radio frequency, it will get charged. So this is a list of tasks and functions. So already I told there are 5 functions are there: reset, read, task, password, and task application. Synchronization, task and synchronization. First one is called as reset task. SEM means semaphore. So semaphore, it will wait for some period. Semaphore means it is a semaphore. It will set and reset. It will take some time period. So it will wait here. After that, it will request header and request start will comes. Once reset is over, it will go to the task read. So the task read, what it will do means, it will read the information from the card. After that, it will go to the password. For that, it has to wait some time period. That is called a semaphore password. It will wait, and it will ask the password, and it will wait for some period. Once if you give the password, next it will ask what is the application. So for that, it will request application and will wait for application. If you give the application, it will process the application. Then the application is now message queue. Suppose it is completed, so this gets completed. So now if you want to do any other task, application means you have to go for next task. Otherwise, you have to request for close. Once it is closed, automatically it will go to the reset task, and it will reset the smart card. So this is the task synchronization. There is a synchronization between all the 4 tasks. Next, we can see the advantage of smart card. So the advantage of smart card is it is used for security purpose. Smart card is more secure as they are programmed with encryption, and the user personal information transaction is safe. So that is the advantage. Convenience. Smart card is smaller in size, convenient to carry. We can carry the smart card wherever you go. Next, economy and friendly. Smart cards help in our economy by reducing transaction cost by eliminating paper. Olden days, you have to go for the bank, and for the transaction purpose, you directly can go for the ATM and you can take the money. Multifunctional. So smart card can be used for multifunction like paying bills, booking tickets, paying for food, etc. Transaction, many purpose we can use. Reliable. Smart cards are more reliable than the magnetic strip cards. Earlier, you are having the magnetic strip card. Now it is called as smart card. Disadvantage is it is easily damaged. Smart cards are expensive compared to magnetic strip cards. Availability of smart card is necessary. Next, we can see some applications of smart card. It is used for telecommunication. Telecommunication, in all the SIM card, we are using this. You are using this smart card. Here we can use smart chip is available, so it is called as a smart card. Next, e-commerce and rental. In supermarkets, in malls, all you are using the one card that is called as a e-commerce and rental purpose. Next one is domestic purpose. So DTH smart card, direct to home TV service. So this card provide authorized access to information coming from satellites. For TV channel accessing, we are using DTH smart card. For banking purpose, transaction purpose, we are using this smart card. Government applications for identification, that is, you all know nowadays Aadhaar card is used, or otherwise you can go license or voter ID, so PAN card. So these are called as identification. Next one is secured physical access. So that is called as organization card. So our college, we are using the ID card that is called as secured physical access. Employees, all the employees, we are using the ID card. This is called as an employer ID card. And so many applications we can use: banking, medical, health cards. Health card is available, TV, access control system, electronic cash, wireless mobile communication, government identification, telecommunication, ticketless travel systems. These are some of the applications of smart card. So in next video, I will explain about the working of ATM machine. Thank you.